have the entrance. Oh, just
closet.
Closet. And then
Look at this elevated chair for massage chair. I have to try that.
fireplace. Off the other side of the room, we have the master bedroom. It's a really nice size. Then the master bath, which is really nice. It's a window. Then walk-in closet. And then that'll be a walk-in closet too. Nice. I'm in here. And then here is a shower. It's a full tub shower with nice jets.